Hello, friends. Let us try to understand this picture. This needs some explanation. Please be with this session. Now, let us enter into the process of understanding. We can see, on top, the supreme power, supreme reality, which is also referred to as absolute consciousness. This will become clear as we go further. You can see below, there's a human being endowed with a component, mind. The mind by default can reflect the consciousness provided by the supreme power above. In turn, the mind becomes a conscious entity. In effect, the mind becomes a conscious self under the influence of that supreme power. Below the mind, there is a physical body. This is primarily endowed with 5 sense organs and 5 organs of action. The mind, along with the body, forms a psychophysical structure, subtle plus physical. This structure is a human being which is conscious of itself. In the sense, it is a self conscious being. This self conscious being needs basically food, cloth, shelter, and health care for its survival and its well being. The human mind is endowed with a limited level of free will to pursue those needs. Apart from this, we can find a solar powered phenomenal world in the picture. All the living beings and non living beings are sheltered on this platform by that supreme power. This world survives purely on solar power originating from the sun. In the absence of the sun, the survival of this world will become impossible. Though all the entities that are sheltered on the earth are taken care of completely by that supreme power, the human beings are required to understand their participation in this kingdom for their peaceful living. This understanding, which we are going to analyze, is most essential for human beings to have a safe and contented life and grow further. Because human beings alone are endowed with a mind having free will to deal with their basic needs by themselves and self consciousness to its maximum level. The mind has to utilize the 5 sense organs and the 5 organs of action to fetch the basic needs. This process of understanding is essential to build an appropriate attitude towards the supreme power, oneself, and the world. The mind is empowered by that supreme power in order to be emotional and also operate the organs with sensibility. Right understanding is essential to right living. External resources are of little use for a man who does not know how to use them for his best interests. A man with the right understanding will never starve in the world. Abuse of free will leads to suffering. Hence, ethical life becomes a prerequisite in human living. Human beings have to address physical, intellectual, aesthetic, moral, spiritual levels appropriately in order to achieve the goal. Therefore, human beings have more responsibility than other living beings on this solar earth. Now, let us check ourselves through some test questions. Here are 3 test questions about the world for you and me. Question number 1. Are you able to figure out that each and every entity in the world around is constantly changing as inseparable dualities? For example, light and darkness, construction and destruction, order and disorder, prosperity and adversity, life and death, youth and old age, pleasurable and painful, hot and cold, etc., with respect to things, people, and events of this earth. Question number 2. Are you able to visualize the fact that the entities in the world are temporal by default? That is, they are relevant with respect to a particular time and location. They are bound to become irrelevant with respect to all other times and places. Question number 3. Are you able to recognize that the journey of the life system on this earth is possible only because of the above 2 laws? Here are 3 test questions about you, me, and everyone. Question number 1. Are you able to accept that this body is also part and parcel of this world? Question number 2. Are you able to visualize the law whatever is applicable to the world is also applicable to this body? Question number 3. Are you able to see that the status of this mind is also similar to that of the body and the world objects, as long as it is in association with this body? If you can't make out this particular question, you can leave it. No issue. Now, one final test question in general. From the picture, are you able to visualize that the supreme power alone is sentient by itself and all other entities below are dependent on that supreme power for their existence as well as for their sentiency? Fine. Thanks for showing interest in this video. If your answer is yes, for all the questions, then it is sure that you are in sync with the supreme reality which never changes with respect to time and location. Also, it is certain that you are always conscious of the absolute conscious self is the supreme power behind all movements. You are intelligent enough to visualize the fallacy buried in the world objects, which includes this body and mind. You are naturally at the abode of that supreme reality even when you perform an action within the limits of the free will. We can conclude that all your actions are creative and purposeful with common interest in view.